I'm going to show you how I took my cabinet knobs from this to this. Keep watching. Kitchen cabinet makeover under $20, Miss Sassy Pat. So this is my kitchen. My knobs are just old and tired, and one fell off and I could not put it back on. So this is what the knob looked like. So I'm just going to replace them, the items used. I purchased some crystal glass knobs from Amazon for $20. The quantity was 25. And I purchased these items over a year ago, so this is what they look like. I think that they're super pretty, and this is how it will look once I install it. So items you'll need: a screwdriver, of course the knobs, and then the screws that came with the knobs. Let's get started. So I'm taking one of the new screws, and I'm going to insert it in the little opening, and then I'm going to twist on the knob. Now I do have 24 knobs to replace, but I only have 22 knobs, so I'm only going to replace the 22. The top of my cabinet that you can't see, I'll worry about replacing those knobs at a later time. So I'm just going about just unscrewing the old knobs. And that's what it looks like. I'm going to put it in a plastic bag. And then I'm going to install the new knobs. It took less than 30 minutes, and I was really happy with how the project turned out. And I don't know about you, but I love having a little bling bling in my life. The kitchen is one of the areas that I'm in every day, all day. Well, not all day, but you know what I mean. So what I'm going to do is just take all the knobs out. I think it's going to make this process go a little easier. And there you go. So I'm going to keep on uninstalling the old ones and replacing them with the new ones. This is definitely a cheap way to give your kitchen cabinets a little update, and it's definitely friendly on the pockets. As I said, the knobs were under $20. I received 25, so I was pretty happy with these knobs. They did get a great review on Amazon. So I'm just replacing, and I'm just going around my kitchen. Please leave me a comment and let me know what other kitchen redos you would like me to do. I love redoing my kitchen and just, changing things out. So I'm going to keep working, and I do apologize for my appearance. It was just a lazy day. And I just think that this is looking so amazing. What do you think? The final results. So this is what my cabinet's knobs look like. I am so happy with the final result. I think it looks beautiful. I'm just so happy how it turned out. I replaced 22 knobs. The knobs were under $20. And I just simply love them. It'll be easy to clean with. So yeah, I'm very happy with my $20 kitchen redo. What do you think? Please follow me on Instagram, MsSassyPat. And on YouTube, please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification. As always, thank you for watching my video, and I will see you on my very next one.